Coach Jojo IFBB Pro. Welcome here today. Today we are not going to talk about your exercise, your nutrition, your diet, your supplements or whatever. Today we're going to talk about your mindset. Alright? Mindset is very, very important when you want to start a fitness journey. Okay? It determines how well you will do in your whatever journey. It doesn't matter whether it's fitness or your career or your relationship, anything. Mindset is one of the most important things. I posted something like a lot of similar topic in all my social media platforms today. And the topic revolved around starting today because tomorrow never comes. Why I want to do this? Because so many people are giving me excuses that, oh, it's alright, now it's COVID-19, it's not the best time to work out. Let's wait until COVID-19 is over. Or some people tell me, oh Joe, I think I watched your video, I really like it, I will start tomorrow, I will start my workout tomorrow, I will start my diet tomorrow. But the tomorrow, from one day, you keep tomorrowing until it becomes a week, and it becomes a month, and then after that it becomes a year, 10 years. I'm sure everybody faces this issue, even for myself. I often tell myself, okay, let's start my dieting next week. Let's start working a little bit harder next week or tomorrow. But I just keep delaying and delaying. The tomorrow never comes. Alright, so I want you to set this mindset. Just remember yourself, like rewind a little bit. Think about when you were during your childhood, when you were studying in school. What will happen if you say, okay, I'll do my homework tomorrow? And then when it's tomorrow, you tell yourself, oh, I'll do it tomorrow. This homework will accumulate in your life. And then after that, one day you just feel like, oh, I can't do this anymore. Okay, I feel like I'm going to quit my college because I couldn't finish my assignments. We all go through that, or we have somebody who has been through that. That's why today I'm here to tell you there is no tomorrow. Let's talk about the next thing. Why start now? You've been asking me, is now the best time because it's COVID-19? Let me tell you this, there's no perfect timing. The perfect timing is now. Alright? Even if I give you another month, you will still think, say, it's now the right time. I have my family, I have my business going on. I just can't do this. And then I give you a year, you will give me the same excuse. So now is the best time because you have no excuse. And what is the best thing? When you decide now, you feel motivated. Okay, when you feel like, okay, today you feel motivated, then you do it. This is the best time. And let's talk about during the current COVID-19 situation. Do you know that your health is so important during this time? I did many videos before talking about what kills you during COVID-19. It's not about the virus. It is all about your health. So this is the best time to improve on your health and to understand how important it is to have a good health. Why is it so important? I just mentioned because it reduces the risk when you get infected because of COVID-19. Alright? Now the second thing is, this is something that I closely related to. When you start now, you achieve your dreams, you achieve something on that day itself, you feel much more confident about yourself. Okay? I cannot explain how much I have changed because I changed my body, because I changed my health. It makes such a big changes. You ask me 5 years ago, will I sit in front of the computer, sit in front of my phone and start talking to you? No, I hardly can find any pictures of myself when I was fat. I can hardly do that. Now, because I have a better body, I become much more confident. I am able to embark so much more beautiful journey in my life, whether it's relationship, whether it's business, and in my own health journey that I went to compete in bodybuilding competition. That is why I want you to feel motivated that, maybe if I achieve something with my health, I'm going to feel more confident. Okay, I guarantee you feel like 100 times better. I know a lot of you are suffering for self-esteem issues. The truth is you can do something about it if you do it now. Alright? Now, and then the next thing is I want you to think about your friends and family. It's like, to be honest, what do we have in this world? The most important thing in this world is the intangible thing. It's your friends and family. Okay, you want your friends and family to be healthy. They want you to be healthy. You want yourself to be healthy so that you can enjoy a great life with them. I'm sure everybody understands this. So I'm not going to talk much about it because I'm pretty sure you know what's the benefit of having happy time with your friends and family. The last thing I want to talk about is improving your productivity. When you have a better health, you improve your productivity. You don't get sick often. That's the first thing. Okay? So you can do so much more if you don't need to take your MC. And I could just train so many clients. Some of them are very successful businessmen, businesswomen. And they will take a break, and I will never say no if you need to take a break from your exercise routine. Okay, if you want to take a break, take a break. And then after that, they will ask me, Jo, I want to come back and work out. I say, why? Why suddenly you want to be you're so motivated? It's then they will tell me the truth. It's because when they do not work out, they become very unproductive. That is a lot of the time, the free time they use to work out, they spend it on doing things that doesn't give you any benefit. That's number one. Okay, we always have time. Stop giving me all those bullshit telling me that you don't have time. You always have time. Okay, so spend those time wisely in improving your health. Is a very good thing to do. The second thing is how you improve your productivity. Research and all my clients have shown it that when you increase your fitness level, you actually feel more energetic. Okay, so you go to the office, you won't feel tired and you won't feel lethargic or whatever. You feel a lot more energetic and you feel much more happier and passionate about your work. That's why it's so important when you have a good health, when you exercise. You see all the successful businessmen, you wake up at 4-5 a.m. in the morning and do their exercises because it kickstarts their day. Okay, basically when you exercise, it creates a kind of hormones that tell your body that you are happy and you are healthy and you are full with energy. You're tricking your body basically. So if you want to have a successful business, it's very, very important to take care of your health, to increase your fitness level. Alright? So I just want to say that we can't predict the future. What we have is now, is the current. So stop thinking about, I'm going to start tomorrow, I'm going to start next week, next month. Stop it. I want everybody to stop it. I always think, when I was young, I always think about something. I always cherish my friends around me. I love my friends a lot. I show them a lot of love. I won't get myself into a fight with my best friend. The reason being is I am afraid that one day when I step out to the road that I'll get hit by a car or a bus. We never know that we might lose our life or lose our chance by any means. Okay, if this COVID-19, we don't know. And now Malaysia Malaysia is doing well, like thank goodness, right? But you never know what's going to happen tomorrow. Are they going to take everything away from us again? So now is the best time. You achieve a little bit, tomorrow you achieve a little bit more, and slowly you're going to achieve a lot in your life. Alright? So if you want to know about like coaching or whatever, I'm always here to help you. Okay? I give you some time, right? Tonight, before you sleep, and think about it, that what will make me happy? What kind of body or health condition will make me enjoy my life more? And then when you decide that you want to do something, you want to step up the game, then you can contact me. I'm always here on my Facebook. My Facebook is Josephine IFBB Pro MY. My Instagram is Jojo Pilates IFBB Pro. My YouTube channel is Josephine Pilates Fitness. My email address is jojo@josephinepilatesfitness.com, or you can go to my website www.josephinepilatesfitness.com. Now you have no excuse now. Please start something with me. Alright, I'm sure I won't like take your money and run away. Alright, so before I end, yes, somebody told me something very important. You can get things for free, yes, but you know free things never work. So I charge something, but I'm sure it's affordable. If it's not affordable, you can talk to me. All I want is to help you. Okay? There is no one program that is suitable for everybody. So there's just no. Everybody should be different. Okay? Because you can be fat, you can be thin, you can be whatever, you can be overweight, you can be sick, you can have injury, so nobody should get the same program. So if you really want to know more, I told you my detail, I'll put it down below, and I hope to talk to you very soon.